Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install PHP Apache Mysql on Ubuntu 21.04 server. Ubuntu 21.04, this is latest release. This is my server information, IP address 10.66.100.12, operating system 21.04, RAM 2GB, CPU 2 disk 50GB, service LMAP. Checking version 21.04, IP address, and then must be server update and upgrade. Yes, upgrade done. Install Apache and Mysql server. Yes, installation done. Add PHP repository. And then press enter. Then must be run apt update command, and then run PHP 8.0. This is PHP latest release 8.0. I see Ubuntu latest 21.04 is very smooth installation process, all software. Set up MySQL root password, press yes. This is password strength. You can use 0 for low strength, 1 medium, 2 for strong. So I use 0 for very weak password. Press yes. Provided password is right. Remove anonymous users. Press Y. Then enter. Disallow root login remotely. Type Y, then enter. Remove test database, yes. Enter. Reload privilege table now, yes. All is done. So now create one file for testing PHP installation properly working. Restart Apache, restart MySQL, and then browse server IP http:// info.php. Yes, this is successfully running. PHP version 8.0.5. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.